All right, welcome to week 12. We are getting down to the end of everything here. You can see we only have a couple weeks left. Just a note on week 14. So the end dates for if you're taking classes on campus will be different than your end dates for your online classes. And so just be aware of that difference. We do have a few things that are due a little later in that week, and so watch out for things there, but not really a lot of assignments for that week to worry about. Just be aware our end dates are slightly different from the campus end dates, so that if you are taking both classes on campus and online classes, there is that little bit of difference to watch out for. On to week 12 though, let's take a look at what you've got with this one. And so again, with your interactive textbook video lessons, you'll be working with probability and confidence intervals this week. So a really good lesson. Maple TA homework, you do have 2 of those this week, so make sure you get your homework A in is by the Thursday deadline, and then homework B is due by that Saturday deadline. So make sure you get both of those. Your group assignment, let me pull up and show you right here what you'll be working on. And so first thing right here is just defining the difference between empirical and theoretical probability. And so as a group, you should be able to explain that difference right there. Next thing you'll be working with is kind of putting these things you've learned in the textbook and the video to test again. And so on this one, you're trying to help Emily select a good weight loss plan, and so deciding between these 2 plans, which one's the better plan, and you'll be using confidence intervals for each of those. And so note, you're looking at the percentage of participants who lost at least 10 pounds, and so that's the confidence intervals that you'll be calculating for each plan on that one. The next one right here, you'll be looking at free throws, but you'll kind of be modeling this with die, and so some dice rolling that you'll be doing also. And so it says you're looking at what's the probability of rolling a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and then also the probability of rolling a 6 when you roll a die. And that's going to help you work through these probabilities for these free throws as well. And then second part of this, you'll need an actual die to roll. And so if one of you in your group can bring one, if not, they've got a link. You can use a virtual die online and do that instead. And so you'll be rolling that die 50 times. It looks like it wants you to roll that, and then kind of recording your results and working with those there. So pretty good group project that you'll be working on for this week. All right. Otherwise, for this week, the last thing you have is just that Unit 3 reflection, and that would be it as far as your homework for this week. Let me know if you find you have any questions about any of this, or go ahead and post those to the questions and conversations discussion board, and we can all help you out.